Hello everyone, Inventor719 here, and in today's video we are going to be modifying this cap gun to be able to shoot projectiles, but unlike my earlier videos where we kept the caps to be used as explosives, in this video I'm going to show you how to modify it to shoot skewers and other projectiles without explosives. For this simple project, all you will need is a 8-shot cap gun with a hollowed out or safety removed barrel, some cheap ballpoint pens, elastics, and projectiles that fit down the barrel of the pen. First step is to modify the barrel of your cap gun. Open up your cap gun, remove the cylinder, set it aside, you won't be needing that, and then ensure that there is a straight path through the barrel by removing any obstructions such as an old orange tip or piece of metal at the back. To make a new barrel, start by disassembling your ballpoint pen by removing the cap and the ink cartridge. While keeping the end of the pen on the tapered part, measure your inner barrel by placing the tapered part flush with the back of your cap gun and marking probably about 5 millimeters or half a centimeter past the barrel, about there. Next, use your X-Acto knife to cut the barrel at that location. And to make it easier to insert in your cap gun, cut a slit there and beside it as well. The taper should allow you to insert the inner barrel nicely by folding it over and snugly pushing it in. And push it in as much as you can, or until when you close your cap gun, the plunger sits nicely inside the pen barrel. To make the outer barrel, I'm going to use another pen or the other half of the first pen. Simply place in the barrel. This one's tapered, so you can just push and push until it sits in there nice and snug. This of course extends the barrel for better accuracy. To finish off the gun, 2 elastics were added to the top between the hammer and the tip of the barrel to make the hammer action significantly more powerful. Here we go with the shooting test. I'm about 3 meters away. We're going to be shooting at that piece of styrofoam, and our ammunition of choice is going to be a cut-off skewer or shish kebab stick. The key is to make sure they are loaded in all the way and are resting against the hammer for optimum results. So here we go. First shot, 3, 2, 1. There's one. Second shot loaded in. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. That one didn't stick.